Before assembly, prepare all spoiler components, the mounting kit, and the necessary tools. Prepare the car for installation. We recommend using 2 people. Remove the original spoiler from the tailgate. Prepare a drilling template for mounting holes. Position the template so that the holes in the template align with the original mounting holes. Then mark the locations for the spoiler mounting holes. Do this on both sides. Drill through holes through the trunk lid at the marked locations. Prepare the spoiler mount to the trunk lid. Prepare the spoiler mounting brackets. Apply glue to the underside of the brackets and adhere the seal. Apply anti-rotation adhesive to the bolt threads. Position the spoiler mounting bracket on the spoiler mount and secure it. The mounting screws should be tight-ended to a torque of 8 Nm. Place the spoiler against the spoiler mounting brackets. Remove the protective film from the double-sided tape on the spoiler mounting brackets. Then, apply anti-loosening adhesive to the threads of the screws, securing the spoiler to the brackets and secure them. Place the prepared spoiler in place of the original spoiler on the trunk lid. Using the mounting screws, secure the spoiler mount, along with the spoiler, to the trunk lid. Apply anti-loosening adhesive to the threads of the mounting screws. Tighten these screws to a torque of 14 Nm. Ensure all screws are properly tightened. Then, tighten the mounting screws on the edges of the spoiler mount.